Using the audio meters. So our audio meters are over here, and it will show us all the audio tracks, all the channels, no matter how many channels that we have. We have 32 channels, it'll show them all. If the meters do not display, make sure you go up to Window and come down here to Audio Meters and make sure that's checked on, right? So I could come in here and uncheck them accidentally, and you want to make sure those are on, okay? Also, if they're too narrow, we can come in here and we can stretch them. We can make them a little wider, easier to see. Now, down at the bottom, we have a solo button, and this allows us to hear just that selected channel. So I'll come over here and play. And now I just created a solo on the right channel. And now I'm going to come back and I created a solo just on the left channel. And when they're both on, I have it in stereo. And you'll notice that as it's playing, I have a range here, and it's going from 0 dBs to -60. So zero's on top, -60. If I right click, I can change that range. So 60 is generally enough to see most of what we want, but if we want to zoom in a little more, we can go to 48. And you can see it's a little more detailed at the top. And if I right click and go to 24 and I play, you can see I get more detail that way. So also, I'm going to set it back to 60. Right now we're getting dynamic peaks. So when we're playing it, the peaks go up and down. So those dynamic peaks go up and down when we have dynamic peaks. If we are to right click and set it to static peaks, then we actually, when we get a loud spike, it's going to park there. And so it'll see what is our loudest level during our playback. And you can just click in the audio meters to reset the peak then. So, if you want to see where you're peaking out in your volume, because anything that peaks above 0 is distorted. So this is our audio meter over here. And we will use this a lot to understand what our volume, our audio level is for our clips and our tracks.